Hi, I'm B-Boy Bill, and this is week 2 hive inspection. It's been exactly 2 weeks since we put these bees in, and I'm anxious to get in here and see what's going on. We're just waiting on Jim and Mark, and we're going to get in here. If you remember from the last inspection, we had some cross comb, and we did get in there and fix that in the package. If you remember from the last inspection, we had a cross comb problem in Hive B. We got in there and attempted to make some adjustments. It was quite a mess, and I'm not exactly sure how the results are going to be, so I'm anxious to get in here and see what happened. Hive A, we haven't looked at for a full week. It was booming last time, comb was perfectly straight, so I can't wait to get in there and see what's going on there as well. What? Oh yeah. That's not good.
Maybe that's why they're not getting up in there.
So you said just quit taking the feed altogether?
Well, they never really took it. And I'm a little suspicious that maybe I made it a little too thick. I was going for 2 to 1. Wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Now the question is it a double comb or do you think it's single?
No, it's single. It's a single comb.
That's beautiful. Hot damn, Bill.
Yeah, that looks great.
Nice to come home from the honeymoon and find that.
Yeah. All full of nectar.
Yeah, and they're about to start drawing down from the midbar there.
Looks like it, yeah. Well, this is 2 weeks since we put them in here. These guys
look
are
at that.
drawing down.
Beautiful.
All nectar. Some pollen up there. A couple spots.
That's what you need.
Where's the brood?
Maybe a good question.
Well,
Right.
this one here started. These are all dead guys here. Started coming out towards the overdrawing the comb here.
What do you mean overdrawing the comb?
On this side here, where they could go past the the frame.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah.
So I don't know if that's something we can whack off a little.
You're just wrecking if you try.
Well, no brood. That is weird.
Yeah. I almost. Your vision's pretty good, right?
It's pretty good, yeah. I see, like they're mostly full of nectar, you know.
And they're thin enough we might be able to spot the queen just for shits and giggles. But no capped anything, is it?
No.
Well, it, you know, what's that right there? Am I pointing at it?
Oh, that's a queen cell. And there's something in it. How the heck did they get a queen cell? It must not be capped yet.
No, it's not. They're preparing it.
Huh. Okay. Well, I'm okay with that. They're making queen cells, then they must have brood, right?
I'd feel better if I saw it, but yeah, you know, I mean, they must think that she's got the ability to lay an egg in there.
Get this turned around here. Back how I had it. That's not gonna work so well. Okay, so this was here. And this one was next. There's another queen cell right there.
Yep, yep.
Those are swarm cells, what they say on the bottom row, so.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it fell? I didn't see that.
There's a queen cell on that one?
No, I don't think so.
Oh,
It just fell off the box.
okay.
Well, it's either going to work or it's not. How about that? I think we might be getting too much of that sugar water just packed in these cells. No room to lay. What do you think about taking the sugar off?
Well, my own philosophy is let the bees decide.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Rubber band catapult, and they got all that stuck to the bottom down there. That's interesting.
Well, it's good. It's not going to fall out of there, I guess.
It's not falling out of there. But this comb is bad. Bad. I started building off this other bar.
That's cap stuff down in there, isn't it?
That's a pretty decent one.
Yeah.
Capped honey up there. Some capped honey in this one. It's interesting how you're not using foundation. They leave themselves little spaces, and you can see them coming back and forth through there. That one, what is that? Is that pollen on that one still? What is those yellow things poking off of that one? Do you see that?
No, I don't see it.
Right here.
Oh, yeah, that's pollen on his legs that he's got there. Yeah.
It looks huge.
Well, it is. I don't see a lot of stored pollen. Not that means anything, but.
Huh.
Well, okay, there's some pollen down there that's stored.
Yeah.
This dark stuff.
Yeah. This is the frame the queen was on last week.
Crop cells on this side.
There she is. Right there. See?
Oh yeah, you got her. Yep.
Well, something ran out of batteries or memory or something.
Yeah, she looks healthy. Quite a bit of pollen up here in the corner.
Yeah.
Lots of nectar and honey. Well, it's sugar water, I'm sure, but I capped stuff over there, so they got everything they need.
Yeah.
They just need a little time to get with the brood rearing.
Yeah. That was our second week inspection. Hive A had some queen cells, which I'm super excited about. We could split those into a couple more hives maybe. We'll have to take a look next week, make sure they're capped over and everything's looking good, and I'll get some more nuke boxes ready. We might end up with a couple more hives after it. Hive B, I'm pretty impressed with. Last week when we got into this to fix the cross comb, we made a mess. It wasn't pretty. This is my first time doing it. I had no idea what I was doing. And these bees really came around. They reattached the comb and everything looks really good. So I'm really pleased with Hive B. I'm B-Boy Bill and thanks for watching. Oh, and if you like this, please subscribe. I hope to put out a video every week.